If you're a true fan of classic American luxury, then the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood in a rich olive color is something truly special. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of prestige, comfort, and timeless design. Back in 1970, Cadillac was at the top of its game, building cars that defined what luxury meant in America. And today, we're taking a deep dive into this iconic machine, from its bold exterior to its plush olive interior, smooth performance, and what makes it so valuable even today. So sit back and experience one of the finest luxury cruisers ever built. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is its sheer presence. Finished in a deep olive color, this car stands out in a way that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. The paint gives it a sophisticated and slightly understated elegance, while still highlighting its massive size and commanding design. At the front, you're greeted by a huge chrome grille that stretches across the width of the car. It's bold, unapologetic, and instantly recognizable as classic Cadillac styling. The quad headlights are neatly stacked, surrounded by chrome accents that shine beautifully under sunlight. The hood is long, incredibly long, giving the Fleetwood that signature luxury limousine feel. Chrome details run throughout the exterior, from the bumpers to the window trims, adding a sense of richness and craftsmanship. From the side, the Fleetwood looks like a rolling piece of art. The body is long and straight, with clean lines that emphasize its full-size luxury status. The doors are massive, and the ride height gives it a floating appearance on the road. The olive paint reflects subtly, making the car look even more elegant rather than flashy. At the rear, the vertical taillights and wide stance complete the design. The trunk is enormous, and the rear bumper is finished in thick chrome, giving it a strong and luxurious finish. Everything about the exterior says comfort, power, and prestige. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of pure 1970s luxury. The olive-colored interior perfectly matches the exterior, creating a unique and cohesive theme that feels both rare and classy. The seats are wide, soft, and incredibly comfortable, more like sofas than car seats. Upholstered in premium materials, they are designed for cruising, not racing. You don't just sit in a Fleetwood, you sink into it. The dashboard is simple yet elegant, featuring real wood trims and classic analog gauges. There's a certain charm in the way everything is laid out, no screens, no distractions, just pure driving experience with a focus on comfort. The steering wheel is large and thin, typical of cars from this era, making it easy to handle such a big vehicle. The cabin space is massive, especially in the rear seats, where passengers get limousine-like legroom. The olive interior color adds warmth and uniqueness. It's not something you see every day, and it gives the car a distinctive personality. Combined with soft lighting and plush materials, the cabin feels like a moving luxury lounge. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, and in the case of the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood, it's all about smoothness rather than speed. Under the hood, you typically get a massive V8 engine, around 472 cubic inches. Delivering strong torque and effortless power. This car isn't built for racing, it's built for cruising in style. Press the accelerator, and the Fleetwood moves forward with a calm, powerful glide. There's no rush, no aggression, just smooth, continuous power delivery. The automatic transmission shifts gently, almost imperceptibly, enhancing the luxury driving experience. The suspension is incredibly soft, designed to absorb bumps and imperfections in the road. Driving this car feels like floating on air, especially on highways. It's perfect for long-distance journeys where comfort is the priority. Handling, as expected for a car of this size, is relaxed. It's not meant for sharp turns or sporty driving, but it offers a stable and predictable ride that suits its luxury nature perfectly. Driving experience. Driving the 1970 Fleetwood is like stepping into a different era. Everything is slower, smoother, and more relaxed. The car encourages you to take your time and enjoy the journey rather than rush to the destination. The visibility is excellent thanks to the large windows and upright design. The ride quality is unmatched in terms of comfort, especially on open roads where the car truly shines. There's also a certain emotional connection when driving a classic like this. The sound of the V8, the feel of the steering, and the overall presence of the car make every drive feel special. This is not just transportation, it's an experience. Value and pricing. When it comes to pricing, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is now considered a classic collectible. Its value depends heavily on condition, originality, and maintenance. Well-preserved models with original olive paint and matching interior are especially rare and can command higher prices in the collector market. While it may not reach the extreme values of some exotic classics, it holds strong appeal among enthusiasts who appreciate American luxury heritage. Owning one is not just about the price, it's about preserving a piece of automotive history. So, what makes the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood in olive color so special? It's the combination of size, comfort, elegance, and timeless design. It represents an era when cars were built with personality and presence, something that's hard to find today. From its bold exterior to its plush olive interior and smooth V8 performance, the Fleetwood delivers a driving experience that is truly unforgettable. If you're someone who appreciates classic luxury and wants a car that stands out in a world full of modern designs, the 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood is a perfect choice. And that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know, would you cruise in this classic Cadillac or choose something modern instead?